Okay, so for question 8, the first thing I would say is you do not just multiply everything together and find out the values of A and B. The reason you don't do this is the first thing you will do is take those numbers and find the prime factors, which will give you A and B as you have them. So we're not going to do that. What we're going to do is sort the prime factors of A and B into a Venn diagram. So we start with a Venn diagram with the prime factors of A on the left and the prime factors of B on the right. Now we'll start with the lowest prime factors, 2. Now there are no 2's in A, so all 3 2's are going to go on the right hand side of our Venn. Now we're moving up to 3's. We do see we have some 3's in as prime factors of A. So one of them goes in the middle, and that uses up all our prime factors of B for 3. The other 4 remaining 3's go on the left hand side. So inside the circle of A you now have 5, and inside the circle of B you have 1, 3. There are no 5's in B, so the single 5 in A goes on the left hand side. And finally, there are 3 7's in both of them, so those 3 7's go in the middle. And to make up the 4th 7 for B, we put a 7 on the right hand side. So this Venn diagram is now complete, and we have to remember how we find the highest common factor from a Venn diagram. The numbers in the middle constitute the highest common factor, so we multiply them together and gives us our highest common factor. Now you don't actually need to multiply them together, you just need to write out 3 times 7 times 7 times 7, or 3 times 7 to the power 3, and that's the completed answer. For the lowest common multiple, we're considering all the numbers that you see in the Venn diagram multiplied together. Now for reasons of space, I'm just going to write these out in the index form. The lowest common multiple of A and B are the 3 2's multiplied together, 2 to the power 3, the 5 3's multiplied together, 3 to the power 5, the single 5 we'll just leave as 5. We could write 5 to the power 1, but we'll leave it as 5. And then the 4 7's multiplied together, 7 to the power 4. And that's our answer. You don't need to write out the full calculation, but you can. You will get the full marks if you do. That's 1 mark for the first part and 1 mark for the second part for this question.